Probably there is no need for further capital allocation, and we may be in a position to manage even without government capital. But I understand government will allocate about 200 to 300 crores of capital from the 11,600 crores provided in the budget. But yesterday I was seeing a news item, Finance Ministry has asked for additional capital allocation also. If that happens, I may get a slightly larger amount. But we have a plan B. Even if the government is not giving capital, we will be in a position to show the required numbers. Our capital adequacy is not bad even at this point. 7.77 is there in the tier 1, 10.34 is there. That is decent enough. But we will try to improve it to 11%, 8% of tier 1 and 3% of tier 2. Bond will be done. We were about to come to the market. In the meantime, these rate issue hopes have gone up. So we are waiting for the monetary policy. Immediately after the monetary policy, we will hit the market. And because originally when Bank of India raised it, they raised at 11%. Subsequently, the IDBI Bank raised at 10.75%. We got a quotation for 10.40 now. Probably if there is a 25 basis point cut, we may raise around 10%, which will be a big saving for the years to come. So we are looking for some more reduction in the rates. So it should happen somewhere in December or January. No. The coupon rate is decided by the market. Okay. But I expect it to come to around 10%.
Happening, or what
no,
is
we are not rescheduling. That is the main thing.
You're not. I mean, the government is helping farmers.
There is no reschedulement.
Okay.
So this is a formula which we have suggested in the initial stages.
Right.
And they announced, in fact, I was on the media stating that we will give 20% every year and we'll sort it out. That is what the government is giving. After getting 25% from the government, they are paying the remaining amount from the farmer side. Okay, 75% they are giving, and they are taking not 100%. Normally, because of scale of finance going up, they are eligible for to draw more. They get 110 rupees or something like that. Literally, government gives 25 rupees, and farmer brings 75 rupees to close the loan, and bank is giving 110 rupees of a fresh loan after the closure. So farmer gets about 35 rupees more after paying and returning 35 rupees excess in his hand. So the response is much more than expected in the Telangana. There is so much of crowd. I am getting complaint from the chief minister and others. Why you are not renewing the loan, Bolke? We were going and fighting to get the loan renewed. Now it is the reverse. We are not able to renew, and they are coming in a big way. I think agriculture has never been a problem in Andhra. Okay, this is a problem created only because of this waiver announcement. Now there is a clarity coming in. I think agriculture will come back by December itself. Now, I always believe that Andhra is very strong in agriculture funding, and we will continue to do it. Our historical NPA is only 2%. Because some of the NPAs also will get closed in this process in Andhra side. So our NPA may come down below 2% in agriculture.